Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Sweat Wallet in Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Sweat Wallet, you need to tap on the Play Store app. So once you have tapped on Play Store, you will end up in this interface. So in your search bar, simply type Sweat Wallet. After this process is done, you will end up having the Sweat Wallet app right in your screen. So simply tap on the install button. After you hit the install button, your Sweat Wallet app will start to get downloaded in your Android device, and once the downloading process comes to an end, it will now start to install in your device as well. So after the installing is also completely over, you will have your Sweat Wallet app completely downloaded in your Android device, which you can now use by tapping on the open button or simply going the home screen and choosing the Sweat Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.